3 months. No calls, no texts, no explanations. You power down your phone and let the world eat itself with questions. A door slams. The office smile freezes. Hard-cut blue cold. Blue cold. Red fire split. A hooded silhouette holds. Voice ice cold. They didn't break you. They exposed the map. Over the next 90 days, silence becomes your invisible weapon. Give me minutes, and I'll hand you a protocol that makes them stop underestimating you and keeps them from trying again. Chapter 1. The Truth About Silence. Silence isn't a gap, it's a grip. Stop feeding the attention machine, and the board tilts toward you. Most people chase confirmation, not connection. Cut the supply, and the brain fills the uncertainty gap with fear. Did I lose them? Are they better without me? That pressure isn't on you. It's on them. Noise becomes diagnostic. The entitled escalate the manipulative guilt trip, the insecure spiral, the grounded stay calm. You didn't interrogate. You observed. In power games, information is oxygen. Stop giving it away, and people reveal themselves. This is not sulking. It's structure. Constant availability leaks status. Scarcity creates value. Predictability lets others choreograph your emotions. Unpredictability creates hesitation, and hesitation is leverage. Explanations read like excuses. Restraint reads like certainty. Aura is built by saying less and delivering more. We're not vanishing in a mood. We're engineering presence. Next, the 90-day system calendar checkpoints and no leak rules, so your quiet becomes choreography. Chapter 2. The 90-day vanish system. Days 130. The stall. Kill reactive loops, push off, reads. Reads off no active now. 1 lane for essentials, work/emergencies, email, or calendar only. No leaks, no story views, no just checking, no breadcrumbs. Build the black site routine daily, deep work training. 1 skill, real sleep. Nerd, borum, korchurkanum. Record, don't broadcast a silence ledger hours, skills money outputs. Expect low stakes pokes, don't nibble, your restraint draws the map. Days 31 to 60. The atmosphere thickens. Upgrade quietly wardrobe posture, grooming voice. Stack outcomes privately cases. Closed numbers, tightened assets ready. Rehearse composure, long pauses, clean sentences, no filler. Tighten boundaries, urgency bait. Send details by email. Expect escalation volume, guilt flattery. Stay cool and unreadable. Days 61-90. Compounding mystery. No teasers, no countdowns, arrivals only. Assemble the return kit. 1 line positioning, a demonstrable win, elevated frame, a proof pack, and your opening move the room you choose. Rehearse your first 60 seconds. I was working, not hiding. Harden your no, I'll circle back when something's finished. 2 guardrails. This is strategy, not cruelty, and no secret stalking. By day 90, you've trained the world to expect less noise and more signal, and trained yourself to resist explaining. Chapter 3. Why silence is a weapon. Cuts, supply lines, gaslighting needs dialogue, urgency needs your pulse, remove input, exploitation starves, converts curiosity to caution. Uncertainty creates risk, others slow down around you, makes you unreadable. No tells, no timing data, you control tempo. Stealth, not sulk. Withhold signature, conserve fuel while others search empty sky. Manufactures certainty, restraint signals confidence. Words compress into weight. Audits with receipts. Your ledger turns quiet into mass and exposes who respects boundaries. Reframes reputation, you didn't hint you arrived. Outcomes, announcements. Stay blue cold, let their attempts burn red without you. Chapter 4. The Golden Rules, Non-Negotiables. 1. No emotional replies, 24-hour buffer, 2-sentence logistics, 1 channel. Turn off tells, move your body before you decide. 2. No explanations. That doesn't work for me, period. Focus beats FOMO. You don't need permission. 3. No halfway returns. No views, likes, or breadcrumbs. Emergencies only. Handle cleanly, go dark. Compounding happens in the last mile. 4. Return upgraded. New positioning proof of a win. Elevated boundaries. A tight proof pack. Visible polish. Enforcement environment design. Daily ledger. A physical pause token and a short script. Bank urgency. Email guilt. Can't do that outrage. No response nostalgia. Not available this month. Avoid love bombs, public provocation scope creep, and craving microwave wins. Chapter 5. When to break silence and for whom. Break silence. When 3 lights are green, real upgrade. Return. Kit ready, emotional neutral, confirm asymmetry. Pull signals better terms and your replaceability is low. Target A-list first earned access. B-list on probation, tight guardrails. C-list never silence is the reply. Time, the room after a win in a quiet signal window via a pattern break, never on defense. Use one door right, short heavy clear positioning offer, boundary. Send it and let it breathe. Scripts, A-list re-entry, B-list scope, C-list deflection. Delay if you're chasing noise or trying to prove something. Chapter 6. The Return. Consequences in Rise. Walk in pace, your seat with sightline nod, no explanations. First, 60 seconds, one-line positioning. One proof with metrics. Clear terms, scope, timeline, weekly review by email. Stop, let silence highlight. Room control, park interruptions. We hit that on 6 deflect provocation. Noted, back to objective. Punt deep questions to email Friday. Proof pack 2 pages max, before, after, plus 3 metrics. No biography trap, immediate consequences. Recalibration boundary uptake. Critics go quiet, pull signals appear. Post-landing 24-hour summary email, locked cadence. Ledger continues 1 public proof per cycle. Protect the gain, clearer scopes, tighter timelines, deposits up front, say less charge more. Chapter 7. Keep the aura systems over spikes. Keep the ledger weekly review 1 door. Presence, not performance 1. Finished proof per cycle, no teasers. Boundaries that breathe warm, not available. Kind, not captured. Choose silences like a scalpel, answer emergencies. Honor contracts, starve gossip. Rehearse composure if heart rate's up, decide later. Curate your orbit. Close. B probation, C out. Quarterly, mini dark cycles, 7 to 14 days to sharpen signal. You didn't get cold to be cruel, you got cold to be clear. The talker dies by echo. The quiet builds outcomes. Pledge. I speak when it counts. Start tonight. Disable push, choose 1 door log, 1 deep hour, say 1 clean no. In 30 days, you'll feel the orbit. In 90, you'll be the orbit. Hard cut, blue cold, red fire. The silhouette steps forward, eyes steady. Final voe. They revealed the blueprint. You followed it. Now carry it. When you need noise, make it. When you need silence, become it. Subscribe if you're building density, not volume. Share with 1 person who's ready. Then close the app. Go dark. Build.